Hello everyone, this video will be covering tips and tricks to solve the square of a given number without actual multiplication, and remind you that this tip and tricks will help you to solve the question NCERT exercise 6.2 question number 1. So please be alert and attentive so that you can easily, after listening this video, able to solve exercise 6.2 question number 1. So what is the trick and the tips which I'll be discussing here in this video? I'll be discussing tips and tricks to find the square of a number, right? And that too without actual multiplying them. Suppose the number given to you is 39 and they ask you to find its square. Number is 39 and they ask you to find the square of 39. Condition applied, you cannot do multiplication. So what is the trick? The trick is split 39 as 30 plus 9. 39 can be written as 30 plus 9, right? Split 39 as 30 plus 9. Since it is a square, so you can write 30 plus 9 into 30 plus 9, right? First, this is 30. You are going to multiply with this 30 and then 9. Then there is 9. You know how to open the brackets. Simply open the brackets. 30 times 30 will give you 900. 30 times 9 will give you 270. This is again going to give you 270. This is going to give you 81. Adding all of them, and this is the solution to the required. 39 square is 1521. How we did? We didn't multiply actually. What we did? We split 39 as 30 plus 9. After splitting 39 as 30 plus 9, since it is a square, we write it 2 times and then we open the bracket. After opening the bracket, we solve the particular equation, and upon solving the equation, we will end up with the solution to the square of the given number. So here is another question for you to practice. How 86 can be splitted as? It can be split up as 80 and 6. So I can write it 2 times because there is a square. Now we will solve these brackets. First 80 will be multiplying by 80 and 6, and then 6 will be multiplied by 80 and 6. This is the solution. solution to 86 square. 7396, which we actually solved without multiplication. So the square of 86 is 7396. What did we do? We split 86 as 80 plus 6. After splitting 86 as 80 plus 6, we then solve the bracket. And after solving the bracket, we end up with the solution. Next number. Now the next number which is given to us is 35. To solve any number which is ending with 5, we have two ways in which without actually multiplication we can solve them. So first way you very well know, 30 and 5 square. You solve these brackets, 30 plus 5 times 30 plus 5, and you open the bracket and you will get the answer. But right now I will be teaching you the another way. What is the another way? To find the square of 35, it will definitely end with 25. Always. Because at the end there is 5. So the square of the given number will always be ending with 25. Plus, in ahead of this, since it is 3, you are going to multiply 3 with its successive number. So what is the successor of 3? It's 4. So 3 times 4 is 12 and the number 25. They are followed together and you will get 35 square as 1225. This is a trick for you. You can go in a lengthier way with this 30 plus 5 whole square. But to come up with a shorter way and a quick way, so this is the way in which we can solve. We need to connect them. Firstly, 5 is there, so it will end with 25. And before that, whatever be the number, multiply it with its successor. Another number for you is 105. Firstly, you can solve this by 100 plus 5. The same way I told you. And the another method which you can solve is, another method in which you can solve this was, it will always end with 5 and 10 will be multiplied by its successor. So 10 times 11 is 110 and then 25. Together putting. Do not add it, just we need to put it together. So 110 and then 25. This is the trick which will lead you to 105 square. These 4 questions which I told you were the pattern in which you can follow to solve exercise 6.2 NCERT question 1, squares and square root. Thank you.